We developed a natural stone waterfall kit that can be shipped anywhere in the country and installed by 2 guys in a couple hours with no equipment or experience. So we figured a way to develop a $5,000 retail product. 2 guys, 1 day is how we did it. Then we launched Genesis Waterfall Kits, which are now being installed by other contractors.
Can't really speak on anything else. It's pretty easy to do. Definitely worth the price.
And the response is phenomenal. They love it, it's easy, it's affordable, it's natural stone. So give us a call to discuss your next project.